Good evening and welcome to the weather forecast table. Rather cold weather for this evening with light to moderate northwesterly wind expected, and the cloud expected to increase in the next few hours. Right now, wind speed over Kuwait City is 10 kilometers per hour from the north. Scattered clouds right now over Kuwait City. Current temperature is 20 degrees, around 50% is relative humidity, good visibility, more than 10 kilometers, and mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies expected in the next 24 hours over the country, and a weak high pressure system right now causing the light variable wind to northwesterly wind for the next 24 hours. Wind expected to shift to south and southeasterly wind by tomorrow afternoon, and rather cold weather for this evening. Light variable wind to northerly wind expected over the western part of the country. Southerly wind to light variable wind over the coastal areas and over the islands. Wind speed will range between 8 to 30 kilometers per hour. Chances for scattered clouds also expected this evening, with temperatures at midnight ranging between 16 to 14 degrees over Kuwait City and Kuwait International Airport, Warba Babian 15 to 18 degrees over Kubbar Garo and Al Maradim. The desert areas 12 Salmi, 13 over Al Abdili, and ranging between 12 to 14 degrees over Al Wafra and in Wasib. Temperatures at 6 a.m. ranging between 8 to 12 degrees over the desert areas. Light variable wind to northwesterly wind with a speed of 8 to 28 kilometers per hour. 13 to 12 degrees over Kuwait City and Kuwait International Airport. Mostly sunny skies is expected for tomorrow early morning, and will range between 13 to 17 degrees over the coastal areas and over the islands. Warm weather for tomorrow afternoon and partly cloudy skies with maximum temperature ranging between 25 to 27 degrees over the desert areas. Light variable wind to northwesterly wind with a speed of 8 to 28 kilometers per hour. 25 to 26 expected for the maximum temperature over Kuwait City and Kuwait International Airport. Will range between 25 to 23 degrees over the coastal areas and over the islands. State of the sea for the next 24 hours expected to be slight to moderate 2 to 4 feet for the wave height. Al-Fajr prayer will be at 4:29, sunrise at 5:48, and at 6:01 will be the sunset. Moving to the 5 days weather forecast over Kuwait City. Southerly wind expected on Tuesday and Wednesday. Partly cloudy skies. Chances for light rain expected, especially on Wednesday evening. Wind speed range between 8 to 28 kilometers per hour on Tuesday. 25 for the maximum temperature, 14 for the minimum temperature, and fresh wind expected on Wednesday. Wind speed range between 10 to 40 kilometers per hour. Chances for light rain expected on Wednesday evening. 25 for the maximum temperature, 16 for the minimum temperature, and more cloud in the way expected in the next 3 days. Chances for scattered rain, especially on Friday. Expected to be some thunderstorm activities. Fresh southerly wind also expected. Maximum wind speed ranging between 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. Also chances for some rising dust over some areas. 24 to 25 for the maximum temperature, 17 to 18 degrees for the minimum temperature. Thanks for joining me. Back to Maha and Ahmed for the headlines after the weather expected around the world.